everyone. Welcome to our channel, Knowledge Base. Today, we're diving into a word that's all about plenty, prosperity, and positivity. The word is abundance. If you've ever heard someone say, "I have an abundance of energy," or "there's an abundance of opportunities," you might be wondering, what exactly does that mean? Stick around, and let's break it down. The word abundance is a noun, and it refers to a large quantity of something. It comes from the Latin word abundantia, which means overflowing. Simply put, when there's abundance, there's more than enough. Imagine a cup that's not just full but overflowing with water. That's a great way to think about abundance. It's not just having enough, but having plenty. Now, let's see how you can use abundance in different contexts. Here are a few examples. 1. Nature. The forest is home to an abundance of wildlife. 2. Wealth. She lives a life of abundance, filled with joy and prosperity. 3. Opportunities. With the rise of technology, there's an abundance of career opportunities today. 4. Emotions. He felt an abundance of gratitude after receiving the award. See? Whether you're talking about nature, opportunities, emotions, or even money, abundance is a word that conveys plenty and prosperity. Now, here's something cool. Abundance is not just about physical things. It's also a mindset. Some people believe in the abundance mindset, which means seeing life as full of opportunities instead of limits. If you focus on what you have rather than what you lack, you start attracting more positivity into your life. Pretty powerful, right? Did you know? In Roman mythology, there was a goddess named Abundantia who represented prosperity and good fortune. She was often depicted carrying a cornucopia, a symbol of endless supply. So, there you have it. Abundance means having more than enough, and it can be applied to all aspects of life, from nature to mindset. Try using abundance in your conversations this week, and let us know in the comments how you'd use it in a sentence. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.